comfortable with making mistakes, okay? But the main important thing, the most important thing is to confirm the mistakes. Confirm that you're a human and you'll make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. Make more mistakes and then learn from them. So while we try, after that we fail. And then we'll try again, then we will reach success. Why shouldn't you fear failure? I think that fearing failure is that you are thinking negatively about your future. Why? Because you're thinking that you will not be a successful person. Okay, you will be ashamed in everyone. But that's wrong. Don't think like this. God says that I am with the think of my slaves, of people. Why? Because if you think positively, the outcome will be positive. But if you think negatively, the result or the outcome will be negative. It's simple. Are scared, overreacting to the mistakes, okay, you will make so many mistakes. There's a speech that says, the more you make the more you overreact to the mistakes, the more you make mistakes. But the more you learn from them, the less you make mistakes. So when you are overreacting to the mistake, it means that you are scared of making mistakes. But if you learn from the mistakes, you'll be a successful person. You will reach success. That's it. I really appreciate you for listening. And if there's any questions, I'm ready to answer.